Hello everyone, this is Rupendra Soni and today I am going to teach you polynomials. This is the chapter 2nd of class 10. So first of all, let us define what is polynomial. So if we will break this polynomial into its root words, so we will get poly. Poly means what? Many. Okay. And nomial means what? Terms. So we can say polynomial is nothing but it is a collection of many terms or it is a chain of terms. So let us write a polynomial. 8x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 9. This is a polynomial. It is making a chain of terms. Okay. These are terms. These are called as terms. 8x square is one term. 5x square, 8x cube is one term. 5x square is second term and so on. Okay. Now, on the basis of number of terms, we have divided polynomial into monomials, that is having only one term. Now, second is binomial, having two terms, 3x plus 5, two terms. Then we have written trinomial. It is having three terms. And if the polynomial is having more than three terms, we will call it polynomial. Okay. And these three are also called as polynomial. Just these are the categories of polynomial. Now, let us move to the portion that we will describe from here. If I will see this is the polynomial having four terms. Now, if I will rub this, it has become a trinomial, okay, having three terms. Now, if I will rub this 5x square, it has become 3x plus 9. So, it is a binomial. Now, if I will rub this, so it is a polynomial. Is it a monomial? You will say this is a constant, sir. But if I will put x to the power 0 here, so it will become 9 multiply 1. Because we know that x to the power 0 is equals to 1. Okay. So this 9 is also a monomial. Okay. Now let's move to the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. So what do we mean by degree? So degree is the highest power of a variable in a polynomial in a polynomial expression. It is the highest power of variable in polynomial. Okay. So if I will write a polynomial like this, 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. So I can say here from this polynomial its degree is 3 because its variable is x and x is having highest power 3. So it is having degree as 3. Similarly, if I will write so like 8x cube minus 14x to the power 9 plus 6. So what will be the degree now? Degree will be 9. Degree will be 9. Why? Because the highest power of a polynomial here, highest power of a variable here is 9. Now, this is not the standard form of a polynomial. This is not the standard form. Why? Because it is not arranged in the descending variable power. Okay. So, if I will arrange this x to the power 9 like this, x cube plus 6. So, this will become the standard form. Okay. Now, on the basis of degree, we have divided polynomials into, first we have divided into linear polynomial on the basis of degree, like 5x plus 2. It is a linear polynomial. Now, second one is quadratic. Okay. It will be having power 2, like 2x square plus 3x. Okay. It is a quadratic polynomial. Now, why it is a quadratic? It is having variable x and its power is 2. Highest power is 2. Now, third one is cubic. If the polynomial variable highest power is 3, like this, 8x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So, it is called as cubic. After that, if the highest power of a variable will be 4, it is called as biquadratic. Okay. So it will be like 4x to the power 4 plus 2x square, 3x, like this. Okay? Like this. So I hope you have understood all this concept. Thank you and have a nice day.